first start by washing my hand. It's good to practice good hygiene before you start cooking. Washing of the hand what I started. And use kitchen towel. Use kitchen towel to dry your hand. Get your chicken breast. We're gonna wash it now. I'm gonna cut it into strips. This is how it looks when I finished cutting it. Put it outside. Wash it. So you don't want cross contamination, especially if you have only one chopping board. Try to wash it before you do any other things. You don't want to cut any other things. Normally you're supposed to have different chopping boards. I have two. I'll use the other one too, but I'm just washing it just in case. I'm also washing my hands again. The knife I used, I'm also rinsing it and washing it. Listen. Scotch bonnet, bell pepper, onion. Thin strips. Be careful and watch your hands. That's a professional. Just someone that loves to cook. This is what I got so far. Scotch bonnets. This is very hot and spicy, so you can use as much as this or less. Then also the seeds are also very pepperish, so if you want to remove the seeds, you can. I'm gonna add garlic to mine. Whatever spices work for you, you can use. That's what I'm gonna be using. Bell pepper, onions, garlic, and the hot stuff, Scotch bonnet. Just drizzle a little, that's enough. I'll be adding this. That's okay. Paprika. That's enough. Sprinkle a little bit of this. A little bit of salt. Mix. you. Chicken. I put it on a low heat so it doesn't burn. Trying to separate, yeah.